Welcome to this color grading tutorial using CapCut PC. Let's start by importing the image into the timeline. Next, navigate to the Effects tab and search for Spinning Space. Drag and drop this effect onto the image. In the settings on the right, ensure twist, amount, rotate, and size are all set to 0. Set filters to 100. Now let's create the overlay layers. Head to the stock materials and add a black background and a white background. Adjust the size of the backgrounds to cover the entire screen. Click on the white layer, go to the video mask, and choose the circle option. Adjust the feather to 100. Resize the mask and move it to the desired position on the screen. Next, duplicate and paste the two background layers, stacking them on top of each other. Click on the top white layer, go to the video mask. Adjust the mask size and position it in the center of the screen. Select both the black and white layers, right-click, and create a compound clip. Click on the compound clip. Navigate to the Video Basic settings, click on Blend, and choose Overlay. Finally, you can enhance the effect by adding the spinning space effect to the top layer of the compound clip. Adjust the settings as needed on the right side. And there you have it. I hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.